Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Dagster Cloud for data pipelines and assets, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Dagster Cloud for your data pipelines and assets, start by ensuring you have a Dagster account. Visit the Dagster Cloud website and sign up if you don't have an account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the Create New Workspace button. Provide a name for your workspace that reflects its purpose. After naming, select the appropriate project template relevant to your data needs. Review the workspace settings and ensure everything is configured correctly. Click the Create button to finalize your workspace setup. Once your workspace is created, you will see a summary page. From the summary, locate the Activate Cloud button. Click on the Activate Cloud button to begin the activation process. You may be prompted to enter billing information. Complete this step if necessary. After providing any required billing details, proceed to confirm your activation. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your Dagster Cloud is now activated. With activation complete, explore the project features available in your workspace. Next, connect your data sources by configuring the required integrations. Access the Integrations tab in the dashboard to start connecting data sources. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your desired data sources. After connecting your data sources, navigate to the Pipeline section. Click on Create New Pipeline to begin designing your data pipeline. Use the visual editor to define your pipeline steps and asset dependencies. Save your pipeline design once you've completed the necessary configurations. To test your pipeline, click on the Run button for immediate execution. Monitor the pipeline execution through the logs and status indicators. Make adjustments and optimizations based on the execution feedback you receive. Once satisfied, schedule your pipeline to run at regular intervals. Finally, review your assets to ensure they are generated and functioning as intended. With these steps, your Dagster Cloud is fully activated, and your data pipelines are ready for use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.